Avoid saturating upholstery with water when cleaning to prevent shrinkage and fabric warping. Start by testing any cleaner in an unobtrusive spot to check color fastness and fabric reaction. Use the least amount of moisture possible by applying cleaner with a spray bottle set to a fine mist, or by dipping a clean microfiber cloth into a solution and wringing it out until only damp. Work in small sections and blot gently rather than scrubbing to move soil from fibers without forcing excess liquid deep into padding. After cleaning each section, accelerate drying by pointing 2 fans at the area from opposite angles, and, where safe for the fabric, use a hairdryer on a low heat setting held at least 6 inches away to avoid localized heat stress. Keep room ventilation high by opening windows or running an exhaust fan to lower humidity and speed evaporation. For water-sensitive natural fibers like cotton and wool, consider using solvent-based upholstery cleaners or dry powder cleaners that lift soil with minimal moisture. Common mistakes include using too much water, which soaks the backing and causes shrinkage. Prevent that by always wringing cloths or using spray misters and blotting immediately. Another issue is applying high heat directly, which can tighten fibers and change texture. Avoid irons and hold heat sources at a distance, or use cool air and increased airflow instead. A third problem is skipping a spot test, which can lead to color bleeding or fiber damage. Always test in a hidden seam or under a cushion, and wait until the test area is fully dry before proceeding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for us to share real-world cleaning tips and contractor recommendations related to upholstery care. Our site also helps contractors find work and engage with a community discussion area where we and others exchange practical advice.